nice.
It's so pretty. Lots of
confetti.
Funfetti. Oh, this is so cool. Welcome everybody. We're on the road to Disney. So we went ahead and purchased a Bibbidy box, which you can get at bibbidyboxes.com. They have a ton of different exclusive things that you can grab from Disney. You can customize these boxes. They range in different prices. We happen to buy the ultimate box. It's supposed to come with one signature item, and it can vary depending on the tier, but from 3 to 5 items. So let's open a box. Upside down. And the right side up. Packing slip. What is this?
So looks like we got some photos.
Some iconic Walt Disney World wall calendar. I will open it and show you, but this is what the outside looks like. Yeah. So we happen to get a calendar. Walt Disney World themed. All right, so this calendar also includes facts for each month. So this one is Galaxy's Edge here. So it says Disney details. What better way to spend May the 4th and Revenge of the 5th? Oh, that's cool. Than flying the 100% complete full-size Millennium Falcon. Well, that's a Disney detail, but they also have facts, and they have awesome days. Disney days. So they have different, like Imagineer Howard Ashman's birthday. George Lucas's birthday is on this one. Yeah, they have lots of cool stuff here. But it also includes these stickers that you can put on the calendar to mark, what you're doing when you go to the parks, like what park you're going to be in for those days. There's special occasions, it looks like, on here also. Happy birthday and what you're celebrating. And that's another thing too, is that these guys don't just do Disney. There's like Universal Studios. They also had, they have lots of Harry Potter. They have a lot of themes, but obviously we went with Disney because that's our thing. Ooh. I didn't even want to tear this. It's so pretty. Oh, what is this? We got a Disney Showcase collection. Disney Traditions. I don't know what it is.
It's like a statue, maybe?
Oh, maybe. Something to put up around the house, getting you excited.
They're breakable.
For the next, very breakable. Nice. Come on. Oh, this is so cool. I actually think I saw this when we were in Disney World last year. That is so cool. Disney Traditions is what the little sign on it says. Look at a good shot of that too. Disney Traditions. Definitely feels like it's made of maybe wood, actually.
Yeah.
I think it's wood.
All right.
Ooh.
Next item.
We have a few items in here. Another box. It says Loki. Oh, that is so cool. Very comic book style plastic tumbler.
Oh, that is great.
It's not glass.
Which means it's not breakable.
Which means it's not breakable. Not sure about washing machine safe. Dishwasher safe. Wow, good quality stuff. And it's kind of cool because the Bibbidy Boxes, what they do, it's like it's a group of gals that go throughout the parks, and they just make sure to find fun things that you have preferences you can choose from. You know, you can have surprise me. I did write that down on my selection. I said surprise me for quite a few things, but.
And this would be a great thing to bring to the park too.
Yeah, absolutely. You can get free water in those water fountains. Bring this. All right.
All right. All right.
This is awesome.
Presidential hat.
Presidential hat for the one and only. Fits perfectly. Loki. Vote Loki. Oh, that's so cool. Man.
Great.
Yeah, oh, wait. There's a surprise thing at the
more?
bottom. Whoa. Limited release pin. 50th anniversary Walt Disney World pin. That is sweet. I love it. Oh, I'm gonna add this to my collection. So yeah, if you're really into pins, there is a section too that you can like, you know, ask what kind of pins you like and it will let you customize it. But yeah, this overall is a fantastic box. And yeah, that's it. That's the 3 to 5 items that we got. And I think we got our money's worth. I think this box, the ultimate box, was $119.99. You can do subscription, monthly subscription, or you can just do a one-time like box or surprise for somebody, especially if it's a gift or something like that. But yeah, these things are awesome. You should definitely do it. I recommend it.
These boxes are great if you want your fix on your Walt Disney merchandise, but you can't make it to the parks very often. So these people actually get the merchandise from the parks.
Yeah.
So.
This is authentic Disney stuff. Thanks for hanging out with us for this unboxing of the Bibbidy Box, the ultimate version. And as always, thanks for watching. Cool. This is sick.